Hi everyone, this is Tiffany and I'm back with another video. I've got two haul videos coming up. This one is, as you can tell by the title, the February Ipsy Glam Bag X. Ignore the mess over here. This is me decluttering all kinds of makeup and skincare and things like that. So anywho, this is the box. It is a pretty lilac box. We'll go ahead and get into it. I haven't had any sneak peeks of what's in it. As you can see, the sticker is still intact. One second, let me see if I can find something to open it. Okay. Showing all my address. There we go. Cool. So, things like this. And I know it's curated by, I think, what was her name? Addison or something? Addison Rae. I have no idea who that is, besides the fact that this must be her. That's cute. So let's get into the product. I wish I knew more about her. Unfortunately, I just don't. So the first thing that we see here is some eye pencils. This is the foaming package. Okay. So we got, looks like we got a pencil brush, an angled brush, and then, is this a lip brush? That actually, there's a brush on here that looks like it. It says Firm. It's from Firma Beauty. So it doesn't tell what kind of brush it is, but this one actually kind of looks like a, almost like a calligraphy brush or a lip brush. So I got that. Next thing we have in here is kind of pink, kind of purple, matches the box. It says Gin Skin. Brightening Kakadu Plum eye patches. Oh, that's cool. I don't have those yet, and I have very dry under eyes. Like, it's a good thing you all can't see my makeup close because my under eyes are like the Sahara Desert dry. Like, I'm cracking, like, looking like a mummy or some shit. So, like, let's see what this looks like. I'm really curious about the packaging. Oh, it's a hot pink. I love it. Okay, cool. Wonder if it's... Oh, that's nice. It's got one of those scoops so you could scoop out the eyepieces. And it even has this plastic protector in here so that they'll still stay moist. So that's cool. I'm going to use that tonight. I'm excited. Okay, cool. Next thing I see in here is from... I think this brand is called Say. And it is a mascara. And I know this is at Sephora. I haven't tried any of their products. It's in the shade black. Just want to see at least what the tube looks like. Oh, it's black. Okay. So, there we go. Let's see what the wand looks like. Okay. So this is one of, I can definitely smell the mascara scent. Typical mascara scent. This is one of those extremely bristly plastic wands. And I don't know if you could tell, but at the tip, there's, I guess that's to help get like the really inner corner eyelashes. It's kind of almost like a feather, and the spikes stick out a little extra. So you also might want to be careful for that so you don't poke yourself in the eye. But that's interesting. I'm happy to be able to try something from the brand to see if I might be intrigued to try more. Okay, we have another box in here. This is from Stila. I do enjoy this brand. It's a Stay All Day Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner in this shade Stingray. I haven't tried any of their eyeliners. It looks like it's going to be a black eyeliner. And it's waterproof, so that's cool. Ooh, very black and very creamy. That's cool. I mean, you could always use another black eyeliner. I use black eyeliners all the time. Ironically, today is the one day I'm using a brown one. But I could get good use out of that, especially with it being waterproof, because I typically have watery eyes, at least in my left eye. My left eye waters like crazy. So, I'm excited for that. Here we have something from IGK. This is the Good Behavior 4-in-1 Prep Spray, which is ironically a detangler and 24-hour frizz control. It also has 450-degree heat protection shine, which I think I'm going to be getting my haircut soon, and it might be something that requires a straight iron. So I'm excited for that. it's an all in one. And I have frizzy hair because I have curly hair. So we got that. We're done the last few products. So far, I'm excited about everything that's in here, even including these eye brushes. Because like I could always use more eye brushes. Eyes are what I typically focus on most when I'm doing my makeup. The next thing we have in here, it says MZ Skin. It says by Dr. Mariam Zamani. Soothe and Smooth Hyaluronic Brightening Eye Complex Serum. So, I have a lot of skincare that I have to go through, which a lot of that back there is skincare. So, I know I'm going to have to be decluttering soon, but I am excited to try more and new things from brands I haven't heard of. This does not want to come out. Alright, there we go. Okay, it's in a pretty pink frosted glass. It looks really nice with this gold top. And see, it looks like it's just white. And it does have a scent to it. It's a very just kind of clean, almost like a regular facial moisturizer, clean smelling smell. Like, that's what I typically get from it. It says use morning and night. So that's cool. It's also in recyclable material, so I like that. Okay. Familiar packaging. This is from First Aid Beauty, the Facial Radiance Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum, which I could definitely use for because I am acne prone and where I'm so fair, as you can kind of see on me, I have dark spots from previous acne scarring. So that would be cool to see if this actually works. Help reduce look of hyperpigmentation and even tones. So we've got that. I like First Aid Beauty. I've talked about them multiple times. Packaging looks pretty cool. It's in this really pretty blue bottle. And even though packaging doesn't matter, or shouldn't matter, sometimes it's just fun and you're more likely to use it if you like the packaging. It is what it is. Alright, we're down to our last two items. And they're both in this plastic drawstring, which I'm not sure why, unless they're like oils or something. Okay. These are both from Item Beauty, ruled by, they're lip glosses. Oh, fun. And that's so cool. They're in shades that kind of go together. The shades are called Sun and Moon. And I like that the Sun one, it looks like it's got speckles in it, so I'm guessing it's glittery. And that's interesting. It's perforated. You tear the top off. Oh, how pretty! Look at that. Okay. I was thinking, it says lip gloss, but I don't know. I just wasn't thinking this kind of packaging. That is super cute. And the Sun is very glittery with micro pink and gold. And I actually see turquoise. I just saw a flash of turquoise glitter. So there's multi-dimensional glitter in it. Okay. Doe Foot, very similar to a Jaclyn Hill. And the size of one of the Jaclyn Hill lip glosses that I've just recently tried. It smells like cake batter. Vanilla. And this is what it looks one swipe. It's got some pigmentation to it. Very pretty. This would be very pretty for the spring coming up. And that glitter is gorgeous. So, there's that. And then we have the shade Moon. Like I was just saying. I just didn't rip the perforated puff. Oh, and that's a pretty everyday color. At least for me. So it's showing up a little bit more pink. This is kind of more like a nudie pink. There it is. That's a little bit more accurate. And it has some faint pink glitter in it, but not nearly as much as the previous one. So, okay. And a lot of product comes out. It it's thick. Girl, it's thick. Just like me. We're going to get along just fine. So, there's this shade right here. Really pretty, kind of milky. I like it. I'm kind of almost getting Fenty vibes from the lip gloss. So, as far as the texture of it. And I really see myself wearing that. It's very pretty. So, that is everything. Wow. So, I believe I paid $50 for this box. But it's so worth it. I got two really pretty lip glosses, name brands that I do recognize, some that I don't. I think I've heard of Generation Skin, just not off the top of my head. I can already tell that this is going to be Soothe and Smooth MZ Skin. I've never heard of them, but it's a frosted glass and it's got a better weight to it. Typically, those products I know that are a little bit more. This brand I know is in Sephora, middle of the ground. Like, I really feel like I got my money's worth and then some. I know about how much this costs. This is Ulta, and IGK I think is also sold at Ulta. Ulta or Sephora, I can't remember, but it's also a full size. Like, it's a big bottle and it's got some weight to it. So, very pleased with this Ipsy Glam Box unboxing. If you liked this, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Do you get these boxes? If you have, is yours different? I don't know if any of them are different or not. I haven't seen any of the other boxes yet because I've been waiting to film my own. So, let me know if you got different things. I'll go check out your channel. Just comment below. So, that is it for this one. Stay tuned for my next video. It is going to be a ColourPop haul, and it's a nice one. So stay tuned for that one, and I'll see you then. Bye bye.